Hello, good morning, everyone. How are you all?
Good
Good
morning, ma'am. How are
morning.
Good
you?
morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
Very
morning.
good
morning.
morning. So, what's going on? Apart from IELTS practice, what's going on?
Nothing more,
Anyone
ma'am.
who would like to speak something? Acha, seriously tell me, how many hours do you devote on time each day?
To
Maximum two
spend
and three
on
hours.
preparation
Mm-hmm.
for preparation, ma'am.
Yes, exactly. Every day.
Okay, every day.
Hmm.
Ma'am, for whole session only it take nearly 3 hours, right, ma'am?
Okay. So,
Yeah,
which is
yes,
1 hour
ma'am.
will be the live class, right?
Yes,
Including that.
1 hour will be the live session and 3 hours for whole
Oh,
examination. Totally, I divided my time 6 hours, ma'am,
wow,
easily.
that's wonderful. Anam, you mentioned 2.5 hours.
Ma'am, maximum 2 and 3 hours. Not continuously. Like when I free, then I just try to prepare my lessons on
So
for
this
IELTS.
2 to 3 hours includes this live session
No, ma'am. During the class, no, the class timing is not
included in this.
included.
Okay, so you're talking about apart from this session. That's great.
Yes, ma'am.
What about others?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. What about
Good
others?
morning, ma'am.
How do you plan your day?
Maximum 2 to 3 hours.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, ma'am. Maximum 2 to 3 hours.
Okay. So what about the other day?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So if my question is, how do you plan your day? What will you reply? I want to listen from Jyoti. Yes, Jyoti.
Yes, ma'am. As I am working, ma'am, as I'm working today, so I usually every day come to the office at 9. After that, I plan my day. I take my class 9 to 10 for IELTS exam.
Mhm.
After that, I do some work for my office. And in the evening, I take time for the IELTS preparation, like 2 to 3 hours after the office in
Mhm.
the library. I sit and studying there. After 8 o'clock, I leave from the office way to home.
Mhm.
This is routine. This routine I follow every day.
Mhm. Okay, great. There are some errors which we will rectify today and
Okay.
that we will work on. So you have to
Um,
start explaining about your day. After that. I told you we will not repeat our words, right?
yes, ma'am.
I have a pretty busy schedule. In the morning, I go to the office and then I handle my office work, right? Come and complete other responsibilities as well. In the evening, I take out some time for my IELTS classes so that I can improve my English and I can achieve good band scores or higher band scores, राइट तो
Okay.
आज का सेशन इसी पे बेस्ड है जब आप रॉन्ग कॉलोकेशंस को यूज करते हो व्हेन यू आर स्पीकिंग आज के सेशन का गोल ही यही है आप लोग जब कुछ भी बोलते हो ना यू डू नॉट नो कि आपने कॉलोकेशन राइट यूज करा है या रॉन्ग यूज करा है एंड यू जस्ट गो विद द फ्लो एंड यू जस्ट स्पीक So the goal of the session is to understand what collocations are. Collocations हैं क्या और उन्हें लर्न करना क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट है इन द IELTS स्पीकिंग टेस्ट वो नेचुरल वर्ड्स की कॉम्बिनेशन है जिन्हें आप यूज कर पाओगे कॉन्फिडेंटली बाय द एंड ऑफ दिस सेशन एंड दीज collocations will improve your fluency as well as your vocabulary score because you know कि स्पीकिंग में एक पैरामीटर आपका क्या है फ्लुएंसी का और एक पैरामीटर है आपका लेक्सिकल रिसोर्स का विच इज योर वोकैबुलरी and the one who uses the collocations in a correct way they sound more like a native speaker. So we will learn about the topic wise collocations for part 1, part 2, part 3 so that you can avoid any unnatural English wali mistakes. And we will also practice using the collocations in the real speaking answers कि कैसे आप पार्ट 1 में आंसर दो, कैसे पार्ट 2 में. You will come to know कि collocations होती क्या है. So before starting the topic, किसी को जल्दी से कोई भी डाउट है तो बताओ. Let's clear it and then we'll start. Anyone? Any doubt? Any new student who has joined today? Yes, Vishali, what's your query?
Ma'am, I was trying to like do the idioms and the advanced
अब देखो आपने
vocabulary, but
wrong
I feel
collocation use करा. To do the idiom.
use
That's
the
a
idiom,
wrong collocation. I was trying to do the idiom. We never do the idiom. We practice idiom.
practice idiom,
So collocation
but
जहां गलत होंगी समझो वहां पे आपका फ्लुएंसी गया, आपका लेक्सिकल
okay.
रिसोर्स गया. Yes.
Mhm.
हाँ, tell me. So while practicing,
So,
what happened?
so I feel I face a lot of difficulty to explain the answer over there. I over that time I realized that in the application it has a little time. It just like got completed that time and I am not even phrased the sentence properly.
Hmm. So
So
did you notice yesterday I suggested Sarbjeet or Suhana, somebody was there and they were asking me how to plan the answer. So I suggested them whenever you're trying something new, now you're learning the
mhm,
idioms and the application for idioms, right?
mhm,
So just do not start practicing on the application. Just have a look at the
okay,
question. Listen to the question, frame your sentence, take a long pause, and then frame a next sentence. And
okay,
gradually decrease this time because you cannot have long pause in the exam.
mhm,
So while practicing, you can apply this technique.
okay,
But by the end, you have to decrease this time. You have to reduce this time because you cannot take
okay,
long pause.
mhm,
Okay?
okay.
Just
Because
try
I
to
was,
think
yeah, I
first.
was
When
trying
you
to,
are in the
mm,
practice mode, try to think
mhm,
first that what I can speak, how I can apply my idiom,
okay,
and gradually reduce this time. Okay?
okay, got it, ma'am. Yeah,
This will
then,
definitely work out. Yes.
okay.
AG iPhone, how to make a flow in Q card, please. There are 5 sessions already done on Q card. Have a look on them. How to make a flow on Q card. 30 seconds के लिए मैंने Q card कराया है. 30 seconds for past, 30 seconds for present, 30 for example, and 30 for future. That's the way you can have a flow in the Q card. You can extend your ideas, expand your ideas, just develop your ideas with those strategies. Okay? I can see some new names. Sunena. No, Sunena was there also. Akil, Tarseem, and Shubham. Swami, you have a speaking test today.
Yes, ma'am, I have.
So it's for 3:30. You know,
Yeah, 3:30.
you're
3:30.
available at 3:30.
Hopefully, I will wake up.
Oh, please don't do that.
No, just now
Hopefully
I
you wake
returned.
up. So if you want, I can just reschedule it for 4 if you want.
No issues. This 3:30 is okay.
3:30 is fine. No? Okay. Okay. What I'll do, did you drop your number? Do you have your
Already,
contact details in the application?
yeah, already is mentioned there.
Let me just
Uh,
check. It's 3:30.
my
So
WhatsApp
last
number
4
also.
digits, it's 3715, right?
Yeah, Qatar
Got
number.
it.
Yeah.
You will receive a call before the test so that you can be ready on time. Okay, you may receive a
You
call
will
by 3:20.
Zoom up or which one? Which
Yes, yes,
platform you will?
exactly the same Zoom link. Once you
Okay,
open
okay,
your portal under that, where did you book the test? You will have a join now ka option. Just click over there and you will be redirected to the Zoom only.
okay,
Okay?
okay, okay.
No worries. Yes. Saruchi, okay, Lakshmi Thakur, good morning. You're a new student. Will you teach writing section for general exam? Yes, definitely, Saruchi. बस 2-3 sessions और है speaking के, then I'm gonna begin with writing module. तो उसमें सारा आपका cover
Okay,
होगा.
ma'am.
सुनैना, you want to buy membership? देखो, writing और speaking session के लिए अलग से कोई membership नहीं है. Speaking test book करने के लिए you need to make a payment. और writing का test भी करने के लिए you need to make a payment. Hi Manish. Good morning. Good morning, Fiza. You
Hi,
all
sir.
joined us lately. Manish, did you join our classes before as well?
Yes.
Ah, I
Like last
remember.
2 months before, I was
Yes.
appeared for IELTS, but I did not receive my desired rank, so I was trying to reappear it. So
Oh,
for
wow.
better practices, I joined again your
What's your
classes.
target score?
It's 6.5 basically.
6.5.
Yeah,
And what's
overall
your
rank.
current band level?
It's 6.
It's 6. 6
Yeah, so
overall? Like, can you tell me your
yeah,
individual? Mm-hmm.
yeah. So speaking and writing, it was 5.5, and rest is 6.5, 6.5, listening and reading.
But
So my plan is
unfortunately, you missed out all the speaking classes. You joined us
to
lately. You were not aware that we have started with the course again.
Yeah, I was aware, but I was a little bit busy in other stuff. So now it's like,
Now you
like,
need to rewatch all the videos for speaking sessions.
yeah, no worries. I'll try to get some time and rewatch it.
Be regular with the writing sessions. I guess with the next week, I'm beginning with the writing module.
Yeah. From today onwards, I'll be definitely
Yes,
be regular.
definitely. Aryan, you want to join our classes daily, but I have a class at 9:30. So which class do you have, Aryan, at 9:30?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, I have a class at 9:30. Right now, I'm learning English at near my city. It's American English Institute.
Okay. So is it possible that you can join there by 10? Any possibility so that you can attend our class, the entire class for 9 to 10?
No, actually, the timing of my institute is 9 to 11. Then I will practice. Like sometimes I write about like writing section for IELTS. Right nowadays, I'm working on my like IELTS foundation. There's a book on IELTS foundation.
Mm-hmm.
I am practicing
You know, if you
writing,
will be
reading from
regular
this.
here, you need not to refer to any book then.
Okay, sorry.
You will be regular here. You do not need any other extra material apart from practicing on the application. That's my promise. But you need to devote time here, at least 1 hour every day. Interact in the session, practice, give answers, and you will definitely achieve your score. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Manpreet, the schedule of our live classes that it is from Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. It's not till 10. Sometime it reached to extended to 10:30, 10:15, depends. Okay.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Sunena, if you're looking for a customer care contact details so that you can discuss my queries, what type of queries? If it is related to the application or visa services, then you have
No, ma'am.
a
Actually, hello,
section.
ma'am.
Yes.
Hello, ma'am. Good morning. Ma'am,
Good
actually,
morning.
I'm looking for the evaluation of my writing and the speaking session.
So
That's
that
why I want to
is,
join the
no.
classes and
For
the
that,
membership.
there is not any customer care number.
Okay.
For speaking session, you need to book. You need to book a slot from the shop
o-
section. You need to
Okay.
make a payment of rupees 99. You have to
Okay.
book a day and a time slot so that you can have an entire speaking test. That is one-on-one. For writing, same. You need to upload your writing. You need to make the payment, and then you can have your writing ka evaluation. Okay?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Thank you.
Good morning.
Ma'am, I have a question. Yesterday, I was trying to find out speaking test part wise, like part one, part two, but I couldn't find how I can use application to find.
आप देखो, you need to explore the application में जब आप speaking section को open करोगे, you will have part 1 part 2 सब given है वहां पर, check करो. Okay. Yes, Gurpreet, आज आपका speaking test है after the session. ठीक है? Right after the session, I will take your speaking test. Now let's quickly come back to the topic and we'll have all your doubts and queries after the session. Now, what are collocations? Any idea? किसी को पता है collocations होती क्या है?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Collocations are words that fit together naturally
Hmm.
and they sound natural to the ear.
Hmm.
For example, fast food,
Hmm.
do
Exactly.
homework,
Hmm.
make a mistake. We
Hmm.
cannot say quick food,
Hmm.
make homework.
Yes. Collocations का मतलब होता है वो words जो naturally साथ use होते हैं. जैसे sometimes we use a bookish language. Do a decision. Is this correct? Do a decision. जैसे अभी विशाली ने भी एक गलत collocated word use करा था. Do a decision. What is the correct?
Make a decision.
Yes, we always say make a decision. Sometimes you people put very big success. What will be the correct way to speak?
Huge success, ma'am.
We always say great success. We never say
Yes,
very
ma'am.
big success. So by the end of the session, you will learn about collocations and your answers will sound more natural. Dekho, one of the way is we did idioms so that we can have band 7 and above. So a student who really want to score band 7 and above, he will be applying idioms to his speaking. He will be using the correct collocations to his speaking answers. Plus phrases as well and the advanced vocab. So if you are using all these things in the right way, your speaking will be sounding more natural. That's what examiner demands from you. So कभी भी do a decision नहीं होता, it's make a decision. जबकि दोनों words make और like make and decision, they are easy words, but native speaker उन्हें naturally तरीके से use करते हैं. और जो natural pairing होती है उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? Collocation. Now suppose if a person is there's a married couple. अगर वो अलग अलग दिखेंगे तो awkward लगेगा ना. साथ में होंगे तो perfect लगेंगे. So that's what collocations are. They're always together. Take a break. Make progress. Have an experience. Pay attention. Face challenging. These are natural collocations. क्या हम ऐसा बोलते हैं? Do progress. Can we say do progress?
No, ma'am.
No, we never say this. These are wrong. So आपको पता होना चाहिए कि collocations क्या है और हमें कैसे यूज करना है इन पार्ट 1, पार्ट 2, पार्ट 3 जब भी आप उनकी बात करो. बैंड 6 वाला स्टूडेंट सिर्फ और सिर्फ करेक्ट ग्रामर पे फोकस करता है, बट बैंड 7 वाला स्टूडेंट नेचुरल वर्ड कॉम्बिनेशंस को यूज करता है. बैंड 6 वाले स्टूडेंट की सिंपल वोकैब होती है, लेकिन बैंड 7+ वाले स्टूडेंट की फ्लेक्सिबल कॉलोकेशंस होती है. बैंड 6 वाला स्टूडेंट रेपिटेशन शो करता है, बट बैंड 7+ वाला स्टूडेंट वेराइटी शो करता है. सो जस्ट सी द डिफरेंस कि बैंड 6 पे हो आप या बैंड 7+ चाहिए आप, राइट? कॉलोकेशंस, इट्स रियली अ शॉर्टकट टू बैंड 7+. सो रिमेंबर, जो वर्ड्स कॉमनली यूज होते हैं, साथ में नेचुरली यूज किए जाते हैं, उन्हें हम कॉलोकेशंस बोलते हैं. और ये आपकी इंग्लिश को, आपकी स्पीकिंग को मोर फ्लुएंट और नेचुरल बनाते हैं. लाइक सपोज अगर मैं फ्रेंड से रिलेटेड बोलूं, कैन वी से वी डू फ्रेंड्स?
We make friends.
No, ma'am.
We make friends. We never say we do friends. Heavy traffic, strong coffee, take a break, catch a bus, spend time, fast food. We never say quick food, right? तो collocations बहुत बहुत ज्यादा important है when it comes to fluent communication. आपकी स्पीकिंग और भी ज्यादा स्मूदर, एडवांस और लेस रोबोटिक लगती है, जिससे डायरेक्टली आपका लेक्सिकल रिसोर्स का स्कोर बढ़ जाता है. हेवी रेन, स्ट्रॉन्ग ओपिनियन, हाईली सक्सेसफुल, ये वो कॉम्बिनेशन. देयर इज अ लॉन्ग, आई वुड से बहुत ही लंबी लिस्ट है. सो जस्ट रिमेंबर, जब हम बोलते हैं मेक फ्रेंड्स, व्हाट डज दिस मीन्स? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ मेक फ्रेंड्स? ये बहुत ही कॉमन है स्पीकिंग में. देखो, टाइप ऑफ कॉलोकेशंस होते हैं जब हम वर्ब का नाउन के साथ यूज करते हैं. वर्ब एंड नाउन. आई एम गिविंग यू, these are very common in speaking. First one is make friends. What is the meaning of make friends?
मैम दोस्त बनाना.
Yes. So it means become friends.
Yes, ma'am.
Take a break. What does this means? Take a break.
मैम वक्फा लेना.
Sorry?
वक्फा लेना.
कुछ टाइम के लिए रेस्ट करना.
It means rest. Catch a bus. What does
बस लेना.
Sorry?
या अपनी
बस पकड़ना. बस पकड़ना.
So that means you have to use a bus.
Yes, ma'am. Use a bus.
Pay attention.
Focus on
ध्यान मैम तवज्जो देना.
तवज्जो देना.
Pay attention means?
तवज्जो देना.
Acha, just give me a second. Yes. So pay attention means when you have to listen carefully. That is, please remember the meaning so that you can use them in a correct way. Keep fit. What is the meaning of keep fit?
I'm healthy.
Healthy.
Can you make a sentence with keep fit using this collocation?
She doing yoga every day to make herself fit.
To exercise
To
daily
make
to
herself fit. I said keep fit.
To keep herself fit.
To keep herself fit. Yes. Anybody else?
We should keep ourselves fit.
do
We should
exercise
keep
daily to
ourselves
keep our
fit
body fit.
by going for a walk.
Yoga keeps me fit.
Yoga keeps me fit. I go to the gym regularly to keep fit. अब ये थे verbs के साथ noun. Sometimes you have adjectives plus noun. What are adjectives? Grammar भी कर लेते हैं थोड़ी सी. What are adjectives? No, Kushal, not you. I know that you know. Apart from you, anyone who can tell me about adjectives? Google नहीं करना. You have to tell me by your.
Those enhance the quality of the pronouns, जैसे more beautiful.
Yes, that
pretty.
basically describes the noun. Yes. So Naina is looking really beautiful in a red t-shirt. So what is a noun in this?
Noun is Sunena.
Beautiful.
Sorry?
Ma'am,
I am asking about noun first.
Noun is name.
Particular name, any person or anything.
Yes. And what is the adjective in this?
सुनैना इसमें noun है और beautiful adjective.
Beautiful is also an adjective, and a red t-shirt is also an adjective. The weather is hot today. The weather.
Hot is adjective.
Hot is adjective.
Yes. देखो, adjectives वो words होते हैं जो noun को describe करते हैं. और noun क्या होता है? It's a person, it's a place, it's a thing or an idea. Adjectives, they give you more information about something. A big house. तो house कैसा है? It's big. An interesting book. Book कैसी है? Interesting.
Interesting.
A happy child. Child कैसा है? Happy. Right? My father is very hardworking. So how my father is hardworking.
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 Adjectives डिस्क्रिप्टिव भी होते हैं, क्वांटिटी भी होती है, नंबर भी होती है, पोजेसिव भी होते हैं, डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव भी होती है. इट्स अ वेरी वास्ट. ठीक है. जब हम राइटिंग सेक्शन में अगर हमें लगेगा कभी करने या कभी हम ग्रामर क्लासेस करेंगे, देन यू विल कम टू नो अबाउट ईच एंड एवरीथिंग इन डिटेल. ठीक है. तो अब हम एडजेक्टिव प्लस नाउन करते हैं कॉलोकेशंस में. Now, if I say heavy traffic, traffic कैसा है? Heavy.
Heavy.
So heavy
Heavy.
is the adjective
Adjective.
and
Yeah.
traffic is a noun.
Noun.
So what does this mean? जिसका मतलब क्या है? Heavy traffic मतलब
Rush
Too
hour
much
rush.
traffic.
बहुत ज्यादा जाम.
that
You
means
crush.
many
many
vehicles.
vehicles.
Many
Yes.
vehicles.
Yes. Strong accent. Strong accent.
Strong
Strong
is
is a
adjective and is noun.
What is the meaning of this? Strong accent.
Good
Pronunciation.
communication skills.
Good.
Expert in
Someone who clearly shows their pronunciation. He has a strong Indian accent. She has a strong British accent. That means pronunciation is very noticeable. Right? A very noticeable way of speaking. Based on that person की जो भी native language है. Right? So इसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? Noticeable accent.
Okay.
Serious problem. What does this mean? Serious problem.
Detrimental issue.
It can be simple. What is the meaning? Major issue. जिसको detrimental का meaning नहीं पता, वो सोचता रहेगा कि क्या है. So simply it is major issue. Healthy lifestyle. कैसा lifestyle है? Healthy lifestyle है. Now what is the meaning of healthy lifestyle?
Good food.
Good.
Eating simple food.
Yes.
Keep,
That
proper
means
life.
Being surrounded.
good habits, eating healthy food, exercising regularly. Healthy lifestyle का मतलब क्या होता है? You're living in a
keep
way that keeps your body and your mind healthy and
Relax.
active. चाहे वो आपकी आप अपना स्ट्रेस मैनेज करके करो, ईटिंग हेल्दी फूड करो, एक्सरसाइज करो, you're getting enough sleep, drinking enough water. This all comes under the healthy lifestyle. बेसिकली आपकी हैबिट्स और आपकी एक्टिविटीज जो आपको फिट रहने में और हेल्दी रहने में हेल्प करती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल. हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल का मतलब सिर्फ ये नहीं कि अच्छा खाना खाना. सो रिमेंबर.
Ma'am, here I can use well-being here.
सॉरी,
Well-being.
like you want to replace this with well-being.
Yeah, yes.
Healthy life. Yeah, healthy well-being is also about the person's overall health, happiness, and the comfort in their life.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
When you're feeling healthy, happy, comfortable in your life, that is like, suppose exercise is important for our well-being,
Okay.
right?
It's included in one part. Overally,
Overall, it
I
is,
can
yeah,
include.
it's a subversion, you can say.
Okay.
Huge impact. What is the meaning of huge impact?
Strong.
हम बहुत साथ मतलब करना.
Huge impact means a very strong effect of something or someone. किसी का बहुत ही ज्यादा influence होना या किसी का effect होना. Technology had a huge impact on education. So that means a very strong.
Significantly.
Yes, significant effect. Very important. A big effect. Now these are adjective plus noun. You may have. Okay, can anybody make a sentence with heavy traffic? Example. Heavy traffic.
Yesterday I was stuck in heavy traffic on MG Road.
Wow, good.
In metropolitan cities have heavy traffic conjunctions
Hmm.
on roads.
There's usually heavy traffic in my city. Simple. Keep it simple. When you're giving example, just keep it very simple. Try to use it in the correct way when you're speaking. Abhi to we are just making sentences. While I'm going to ask you some questions related to part 1, part 2, part 3, then you have to see that how you will be applying these words. ठीक है? Third is, now we did verb plus noun, adjective plus noun. The third one, any idea?
मैम
Yes.
मैम अनयूजुअल वर्ड जैसे किसी क्यू कार्ड में आई डिस्क्राइब एन अनयूजुअल प्लेस, तो उसे हम अनयूजुअल को नेगेटिव वे में लेंगे या पॉजिटिव में?
No, it's not. You can talk about any. कोई भी unusual place की आप बात कर सकते हो.
लाइक मैम एग्जांपल.
If your question is about describe an unusual place, so unusual, देखो पहले तो आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि what is the meaning of unusual place.
यस
What do you understand by this? Tell me.
मैम जैसे कि इंटरेस्टिंग में कहना है या फिर
It
नेगेटिव की
can be interesting also. देखो unusual का मतलब होता है जो different हो, uncommon हो, strange हो. That is unusual. Now suppose you in Delhi there is a restaurant inside a cave. There's a restaurant. You have that a plain wala restaurant. Remember? I guess in Delhi though I have seen that restaurant. So you can talk about it. कोई लाइब्रेरी है जो बहुत ही unusual place near the mountains बनी हुई है. A place that people do not normally see or visit. That is unusual.
ओके मैम. ओके मैम, थैंक यू मैम.
Any example? आप किसी
Ma'am?
से बात कर सकते हो. Yes.
I ask about unusual buildings in your country, right? तो हम Statue of Unity के बारे में बोल सकते हैं. Modern Statue of Unity in Gujarat.
हाँ बिल्कुल बोलो. आपके आइडियाज करेक्ट होने चाहिए. देखो जो आप बोल रहे हो इट शुड बी करेक्ट.
Okay.
Right? Okay. So now let's talk about the third one, which is adverb plus adjective. Now what is adverb?
Describe verb.
Sorry?
क्रियापद.
Something add information in
देखो
verb.
adverb वो वर्ड होता है जो verbs को डिस्क्राइब करता है, एडजेक्टिव को डिस्क्राइब करता है या दूसरे एडवर्ब को भी डिस्क्राइब करे. It actually tell us about how, when, where, or how often something is happening. For example, she speaks fluently. अब अगर मैं आपको एक एग्जाम्पल दूं एडवर्ब का, I'm just writing here. She speaks fluently. तो यहाँ पे वर्ब क्या है? पहले मुझे बताओ, what's the verb here?
Speaks.
Speaks. अब speaks इस वर्ब को कौन सा वर्ड डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है कि वो कैसे बात करती है? वो फ्लुएंटली बात करती है. सो जो ये फ्लुएंटली है, दिस इज एन एडवर्ब. वर्ब को किसने डिस्क्राइब करा? एडवर्ब ने. राइट? ही रन्स क्विकली. रन्स क्या है? वर्ब. और इसको क्या डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है? क्विकली. कि वो रनिंग कैसा करता है? क्विकली करता है. सो क्विकली इज एन एडवर्ब. राइट? When we will go in detail, नहीं तो ये आज ग्रामर सेशन ही हो जाएगा और कॉलोकेशंस नहीं हो पाएंगी हमारी. So let's look at some collocations जो adverb and adjective पे based है. Highly recommended. Meaning of highly recommended means?
Strongly recommended.
Yes, strongly suggested we can say. Deeply disappointed. ये उन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए जो हमेशा वेरी का यूज करते हैं.
Extremely sad.
Yes. So very की जगह आप क्या बोल सकते हो? Deeply disappointed. Extremely. Extremely important. Extremely. हाँ, जब आपको लगता है ना कि आपको very को replace करना है, you can talk about extremely. Widely available. Something which is widely available means widely का मतलब क्या होता है?
Easily accessible.
Largely, easily.
Easily available. That means it can be found everywhere. You can easily just have it. Now, highly
Widespread.
recommended. Can you make a sentence with highly recommended? मुझे तो एक बहुत
This
अच्छा
product
example.
is highly
Yes.
recommended.
Sorry?
This product is highly recommended.
Yes. Baby code is highly recommended
Baby
for
code is
IELTS students.
for IELTS students.
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, after adverb and adjective, you may have collocations for verb and adverb. Strongly agree. Strongly agree means you're completely agree. Fully agree
Completely
with that.
agree, completely agree.
Deeply regret. Deeply regret
दिल से
means
माफी मांगना मतलब दिल से sorry.
when you regret a lot. That is
Guilty.
yes. Strongly believe. Strongly believe means
Fully convinced.
sorry.
Convinced, ma'am.
Convinced.
When you believe something very firmly or with a confidence, you're very sure that something is true, something is right. I strongly believe children should spend more time with outdoors. Or I strongly believe that hard work leads to success. जब आप किसी चीज में with full on confidence believe करते हो, that is strongly believe. Okay? Now I want to tell you some collocations for speaking part 1. There are more also, as I told you, there's a long list. But part 1 में अगर आपके topics ये वाले होते हैं, hobbies, study, food, hometown, then you can use these collocations. Some useful collocations. I'm just telling you this. Can you make a sentence with these collocations?
In my leisure time, I prefer spending time with my family members.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
I
Anybody else?
prefer home
Ma'am,
cooked.
can I
I
try?
prefer home
So
cooked
Anna,
food.
yours is done. Yours is done.
Ma'am, can I try?
Yes.
In my free time, I love to spend time with family, especially cooking with my sister.
Yes. Get enough sleep. Next one. Get enough sleep.
If you want to really healthy,
When I am very when I am
Sunana is speaking. Wait. Yes, Sunana.
You should get enough sleep to keep yourself healthy.
When I'm talking about part 1, that means you have to frame your answer according to the part 1. You cannot say you. Part 1 is about you. That
Okay.
means I.
Okay.
Hmm.
Then I will change the sentence.
Yes,
Get enough.
definitely.
Ma'am, can I try?
Anam, yours is done. Let's have a chance to others as well.
ma'am, when I burn the candle both side, I get enough sleep.
Yes. Fast-paced life. Himangani, can you try? Fast-paced life. Vanita, who would like to try fast-paced life?
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I?
Can I try?
Raise your hand, please. ऐसे तो मुझे किसी का वॉल्यूम नहीं समझ आता. Who is calling? A person with the name of iPhone raised his hand. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. In this fast-paced life, everyone busy in their hectic schedule.
I'm asking about part 1. Part 1 में कैसे बोलोगे?
Okay, ma'am. In this fast-paced life, I usually get busy in my hectic schedule, so I don't get enough time to spend time with my family.
That's it. That's it. Yes, Saruchi. Home cooked food.
I usually like to eat home cooked food.
That's it. Part 1 में बस इतना सा आंसर.
No, ma'am, one sentence, please.
At least add a reason to it. Saruchi, add a reason, please.
Because it is
I
healthy for us.
It is fresh, healthy and prepared hygienically. ठीक है? Okay, next one. Who wants to answer?
local cuisine.
Local cuisine. Yes, Vishali.
What is the meaning of local cuisine?
Who will tell her the meaning of local cuisine?
Local food.
Local or native food which are placed in your locality. Found in
Native food.
Got it? A food that belongs to the specific region or the culture. आपकी country का, आपकी city का traditional food. क्या है वैसे ज्योति? आपकी city का local cuisine? Yes, ज्योति.
Yes, ma'am.
बताओ.
I live in Delhi. So the Delhi local cuisine food is chole bhature. Or every people, I go sometimes. I go once a week to have the chole bhature.
Why are you taking so long pauses?
Ma'am, थोड़ा सा
Confidence
loss
level
हो
on
गई थी,
रखो,
बस
please.
और काम कर रही थी।
Confidence level on rakho and then speak. Yes, I really enjoy trying local cuisine whenever I visit a new place or whenever I visit Delhi. It gives me a different experience. Where do you belong to? Like belong from in Delhi?
Ma'am, Uttam Nagar, Dwarika Mode.
Okay.
I reside at Dwarika Mode metro station.
Okay. Okay, next one, busy schedule.
May I?
Yes.
Being a dentist and a mother of two, I was very busy in my schedule every day.
And not I was, I am.
I am.
क्योंकि आपने सिर्फ past का बोल दिया. You are busy always.
At present, yes.
Now,
I am busy.
yes. Now let me tell you some part 2. जब आपको describe करना होता है a person, a place, a event, then what type of collocations you can use? Unforgettable experience, breathtaking scenery, lifelong dream, strong bond, valuable lessons, fond memories. Now, who will tell me about the first one? Using the first one.
May I, ma'am?
So, wait, Raja sir, I will speak. Shehnaz will speak.
When I visited to a park, that experience was unforgettable for me.
Acha, any person who can apply all these collocations in one cue card answer? Anyone? I really want to listen a band 7 answer. Using all the collocations.
Can I try, ma'am?
Who raised the hand?
I can't raise.
You need to raise your hands quickly. The one who raises well. Okay, Kushal, yes. You raised first, so it's your turn. After that, Shah can speak. Yes.
Yeah. A few years ago, I visited a historical place near from my hometown with my friends. It was a unfor for me. Also, it is not a dream. I want to go visit from my childhood onwards, but I fulfilled that dream, that journey with my friends, and it is located in between the breathtaking sceneries. Also, I found many people, they attracted very strongly with me. They helped me throughout journey. I got a good experience from there. Also, when I am coming and doing work in my hometown, at that time I really help those valuable lessons to survive in my future. Also, those memories, it brings me a smile on my face. That's it, ma'am. I
You know how many
as
times
well.
you have used also?
Yes,
You know,
ma'am.
when you people
I did
speak,
not.
I keep my notebook with you so that I can remember how many times what mistakes are you doing. I'm just making the notes while you're speaking. So you used also 4 times.
Yes.
And there was a grammatical
Okay.
error. You talked about also, I want to go, then pause, then visit. Go and visit together. छोटी छोटी
No,
mistakes
ma'am.
can reduce your score, Kushal. You have improved a lot. So please keep on working on those things. ठीक है? And ये also वाली habit को please हटाओ. ये बहुत
Yes,
ज्यादा हो
ma'am.
जाता है. Like you're using also after whenever you want to
Yes, ma'am.
talk about some. Yeah, please.
While I am giving AI sessions, also it noticed that also.
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
please. Yes, Shah, your turn.
Ma'am, could you scroll down? I can't see all the words.
Okay, yes.
Thank you. It was a lifelong dream to visit a mountainous place and live there. I got the chance, and the place was very breathtaking scenery, and it was very unforgettable moment experience to live there for a very long period of time. Over the time, I forged strong bonds with the local people, and it taught me very valuable lesson how to sustain a life on the interior of hilly place where you don't usually get the means of transport and communication. Over the period when I was living that place, I realized that I had a strong bond with them, and it was when I visit some place else, I still have that fonts of memory.
Last वाला थोड़ा सा mistake हो गया. That trip gives me many fond memories. Right? And very valuable lesson, it's not required to speak. I learned a valuable lesson, which is that taking breaks from busy life is very important for the mental peace. Right? थोड़ा सा बस you need to work on grammar and collocations. So it was truly an unforgettable experience. अब देखो part 3 ना, it's little formal because we have to go in debate. Abstract answers होते हैं. तो यहाँ पर जो आपको collocations use करनी चाहिए, these are: make a sentence with first one, play a vital role.
Technology play a vital role in everyone's life.
Good. Raise awareness. Raise awareness.
Digital media play an important role in raise awareness among the health issue.
Yes. Next, social pressure.
Social pressure and social discrimination leads to anxiety and depression.
Correct. Global issue.
Climate change is a global issue that requires everyone to work together.
That affects the people around the world, or that
Yeah.
needs to be addressed. Technological advancement.
Technological advancement.
Yes, Shah, speak.
Technological advancement has become double-edged sword. With the advent of the AI, we are seeing its exploitation in deepfakes and other forms of technology to exploit other people.
Pauses नहीं आने चाहिए, please. Fluency पे work करो. Environmental pollution.
Nowadays, people are using more plastics, so it causes environment pollution.
It causes environment pollution. You can say one of the biggest problem in cities is environmental pollution. अब environmental pollution में ही subversions क्या है? It's air pollution, noise pollution that is actually caused by heavy traffic and industries as well, right?
Human activities causes environment.
Yes, exactly. Okay, now I want to ask you some questions. So remember everyone, अब do exercise कोई नहीं बोलेगा, get exercise बोलेगा. Okay? Do exercise is different. Strong rain नहीं होता कभी भी, heavy rain होता है. So remember these little words. I'm sharing some list also so that you remember. Pizza, please mute yourself. So this is the list. Education के लिए remember at least 4 collocated words: technology, environment, work. Even if you learn these basics and you know the right usage of it. So my first question, it's a question you all know, but I want you to use the collocations. First, tell me who will answer. Because some students, they see the question and then they decide that they will answer or not. Who would like to answer? Jaldi se raise hand. Yes, Kushal. Question is, do you think technology has changed communication?
Technology is driven significantly in people's lives to communicate in easy way. Previously, communication is in slow pace, and also it's morely depend on the more formal, like writing letters and also the landlines. But right now, due to the advancement of technology, it helps people to communicate more easily, and also people can connect globally, and they can make more friends and relations, and as a result it makes bond quite easily, and it's but also it leads to reduce the weekend relationship.
3 times you used also, and not more formal. You
Okay.
mentioned that in the past, more
Yes,
formal
ma'am.
letters and it's the traditional way to communicate, right?
Oh, traditional, yes, ma'am.
टेक्नोलॉजी
can
वाली
use
कोलोकेशन
you can use here collocations like social media platform, fast-paced world, face-to-face interactions. There are many more, right? It's
Yes,
not that you need to restrict only to these. You can use yours also. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Now, yes, Shah. Question for you. Do you like traveling?
Yes, I absolutely love traveling. Whenever I get the chance to travel somewhere far from the cities, noises, I like to travel. And one time I traveled the Bhimtal, which is in Nainital. It was a hilly places. And when I was sitting there in the evening, I remember the cold breezes at that time. That felt like I'm in heaven, and I was over the moon. So I remember that traveling. So I feel that traveling enables you to tackle different kind of challenges which you usually don't get. So I consider traveling for myself as a double-edged sword, though I get enjoy en- entertainment and everything, but it sometimes it becomes very difficult when you are traveling solo,
But
especially.
Shah, you won't get this much time to speak in part 1. So remember that first 4 sentences should give the required answer. And whenever ke baad,
My bad,
when you
ma'am. I
talk
thought
about,
I was answering for part
yeah,
3.
you did self-correction also. So
Yeah.
please self-correction नहीं करना, ठीक है? I love traveling as it gives me a chance to broaden my horizons and make unforgettable experience or memories. Okay, now I was about to ask something. Okay, Shah, where do you belong to?
Ma'am, I live in Delhi.
Okay, you're from Delhi. Which place exactly?
Sarita Vihar.
Oh wow. That's great. How many of you are from Delhi? Suhana, which feature your app do not have?
This is a question, ma'am.
Yes, no, Suhana, you just sent a
Okay,
message in
yeah,
the
yeah.
chat box that you do not have a feature.
Raise hand.
Oh, it is in the Zoom. How can app have that feature? Zoom में होता है आपके पास raise hand का feature.
Okay, you means like a download it.
No, you go in the more
Actually, I
the three
open
dots.
from browser, so
Even if you open from anywhere,
Actually,
so
there is
yes, please guide her.
Actually, there is an icon in the shape of heart which underlines react button. You have to click that, and there will be two options: raise hand, be right back.
Okay,
Can you see
let's I
that?
try.
Yeah.
Mm,
React icon. Press the react icon.
any option no available here.
In the more options, you have the mute, start video, chat, participants, and the more. Three dots are there. Click on the
Here
three
is
dots.
very different. Here is very different. Participants, chat, show caption, meeting settings, video statistics,
No,
now
no.
helps.
You
Go for
can
the
share
video
your
settings.
screen.
Actually,
Yeah,
I will
other more.
download application. Might
Yes, I
be
also have no
Ex-
there. I
option.
will find.
Actually, yeah, browser में available नहीं होता.
Even I am using from browser. I do
Actually,
have
there
that
is
option.
no option
Okay.
in browser. Yeah,
Okay.
okay.
Okay. Thank you, everyone.
Vishali, what do you want to
Download
see?
app.
Don't worry, this session will be uploaded soon by the afternoon. Okay? Now, please try to use these collocated words in your speaking so that you can score higher. अगर आपको really में reach करना है to band 7 above. As I told you कि ये जो upcoming sessions होंगे, these are only for the students जिनको band 7 पे जाना है. 6 वाले तो बहुत जल्दी से स्कोर कर लेते हैं, but this 7. Suhana, you want to give speaking on Monday, so you have to book your slot.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah.
ठीक है, you have to book it.
I have seen a lot of option how to select any particular slot. So I will book on Monday, ma'am.
Yes, definitely you can book for the Monday, then you can have your speaking का test with us.
Sure,
Writing
ma'am.
भी ऐसे
Sure.
ही आप submit कर सकते हो. Writing का score भी
Okay,
आपको
ma'am.
evaluate होके everything will be corrected and then you will get your score.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
मैम जो
Now,
आपने कल पैटर्न बताया था स्ट्रक्चर वाला रीजन उसमें एक्सप्लेनेशन और रिजल्ट देन मैम उस पैटर्न को फॉलो करें और उसमें ईडियम का यूज करें तो कहाँ तक का बैंड अचीव हो सकता है?
देखो शहनाज, आई वांट टू टेल यू वन थिंग कि अगर आप ईडीएम का यूज कर रहे हो, ठीक है, बट योर फ्लुएंसी इज नॉट परफेक्ट, अगर आपकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन परफेक्ट नहीं है, तब भी आप 6 पे ही स्टक रहोगे. तो
ओके
इट
मैम.
डिपेंड्स ऑन द 4 पैरामीटर. ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ ईडीएम यूज करने से सीधा 7 बैंड आ जाएगा, या कॉलोकेशन यूज करोगे तो सीधा 7 आ जाएगा. ये सारी चीजें तब मैटर करती हैं जब आपकी फ्लुएंसी, दिस इज अ नेक्स्ट लेवल. ठीक है, अगर आप 6 और 6.5 पे परफेक्ट हो, कंसिस्टेंट हो, दैट मीन्स आपकी फ्लुएंसी अच्छी चल रही है, प्रोनाउंसिएशन अच्छा है, लेक्सिकल रिसोर्स अच्छा है, तब दीज आर द नेक्स्ट लेवल. दैट इज वाई दीज आर यूजफुल फॉर बैंड 7 एंड अबव स्टूडेंट्स. क्योंकि अगर आपका अभी तक 6 ही नहीं आ रहा, सो दिस इज ऑफ नो यूज. सबसे पहले आंसर्स को एक्सपैंड करना सीखो कि जो मैंने आपको स्ट्रक्चर दिया उससे आपके आंसर्स एक्सपैंड हो रहे हैं. आर यू एबल टू डेवलप योर आइडियाज? अगर अच्छे से बोल पा रहे हो, फ्लुएंसी परफेक्ट है आपकी, इंटोनेशन करेक्ट है जब बात कर रहे हो, व्हाट आर द वर्ड्स यू आर स्ट्रेसिंग ऑन, कई बार हम गलत वर्ड्स प्रोनाउंस करते हैं तो वो नहीं होना चाहिए, देन इट इज बेनिफिशियल. ठीक है,
थैंक यू.
यस. What is the requirement for 6.5 and 7 band criteria? Just check out the IELTS band descriptors. Speaking check करो, पूरा सेशन करा दिया इसके पास. सुहाना, you are late. इसीलिए आई सजेस्ट ईच एंड एवरीवन की प्लीज ऑन टाइम सेशंस को ज्वाइन किया करो जब से सेशन स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं. अगर आप मिडिल में से ज्वाइन करोगे देन इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट. सिर्फ 1 मिनट का टास्क होता तो व्हाई वुड आई हैव कंडक्टेड दीज 17 to 18 क्लासेस फॉर स्पीकिंग, राइट? सो इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. यू शुड नो कि अगर हम एक दिन में स्पीकिंग के बारे में सब पता चल जाएंगे तो हम इतने कोर्सेज और इतनी क्लासेस क्यों कराएंगे आप? Okay, so it's very vast, it's in detail. Yes, Manpreet.
On the portal,
Sorry?
all the sessions you do are posted on the portal.
Yes, even on the YouTube also and on the application as well. Each and every class. Every day, the class which is conducted in the morning, it will be uploaded maximum by afternoon or evening. Yeah. Yes, Ikra.
Because
Sorry,
being in
Manpreet.
being in Canada, I would not be able to attend each and every class because of the time difference. So I can sessions.
Yes, definitely. You can watch all the classes. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
No worries. Yes, Ikra.
Ma'am, can I share the screen?
Just give me 1 minute. Yes, Ikra.
Ma'am, today's session was an unforgettable experience for me. I strongly believe that your teaching style is very effective. Thank you so much.
Thank you. You're welcome. Yes, Johnson.
Yes, ma'am. I can't able to find the previous video from
So
where I
please
can get.
share your screen. Let me help you out.
Okay, ma'am. From YouTube only, no, itself.
If you want from YouTube, I can help you with YouTube. Or if you want from the application, I'll help you with that as well.
Okay.
And Kushal, please also को replace कर दो dictionary से.
Yes, ma'am.
अभी भी last answer में also की जगह additionally, moreover, try to use some other connector. ठीक है? And even if you do not use, ऐसा नहीं है कि हर sentence के बाद आपको also बोलना ही बोलना है. You can start with a new sentence. क्योंकि
Ma'am,
over connectors भी नहीं होने चाहिए. Yes.
ma'am, it's really helpful to me. After week, I realized that it is really beneficial and might be a hub and I will increase after this doing activities.
Yes, सुहाना और really की जगह आप extremely भी बोल सकते हो.
Actually, ma'am, I have a lot of ideas and vocabs, but sometimes I speak, I do not um, instantly talk with you, right?
Yes.
So this
But
is
that
my
is
lack
what you
of.
need to work on. इसी चीज पे तो हमें काम करना है. Right?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. I will try.
Yes,
Yes.
definitely. Yes, Johnson, are you sharing your screen? Because I'm not able to see.
No, I can't able to do that, ma'am.
Click on share. Okay, guys,
Okay.
an honest feedback from you all. Did you find today's session useful? The collocations? You just turned on your camera, Johnson. You need to click on share screen. एक share का option आ रहा होगा आपके पास.
Thank you, ma'am, for this session. I
You're
have really learned a
welcome.
lot. Thank you.
Himangni, I really want you to speak in the session.
Yes, ma'am. It was my first session. That's why I'm not speak through.
Yeah, but it's okay. You can give a try. Even
Yes,
if you
sure, ma'am.
even if you speak wrong, you will get a feedback and you can improve.
Yes, sure, ma'am.
But if you
I
feel
will.
hesitate and you do not speak, the things will not work out. Right? So please speak.
I will
Even
work
if you
on it.
speak
Yes,
wrong,
yes.
it's really okay, but you need to speak. Right?
Definitely, ma'am. I will.
Yes. Because we are only left with two sessions, I guess. And then
Yeah,
we
yes.
have to start with the writing module.
Yeah, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, Johnson, are you sharing your screen?
Yes, ma'am. Where to do? I went to the share and after that.
Share and then click. क्या ऑप्शन आ रहा है आपके पास शेयर करते?
In screen.
हाँ, so click on screen.
Yes, ma'am. Here the option is display over other apps. All allowed, not allowed. It's upcoming.
Click on allowed.
Yes, ma'am. I have clicked on allowed.
But अभी तक screen share तो नहीं हुआ.
I have to go for the YouTube.
जब तक आपकी screen share नहीं होगी, I'm not able to see anything कि आप फोन में क्या कर रहे हो.
Okay, ma'am. नहीं हो पा रहा मैम यहाँ से.
Anyone who is using the phone?
Ma'am, I help him.
Yes, Suketu.
Go to more, and there is a screen sharing option. Start a screen sharing. It's easy for you.
Okay. Here the option is coming share only.
Yeah, those one, bro.
Okay. And after that?
What you want to say all people? Go there. Maybe you go YouTube, click YouTube watch.
Thank you so much, Shubham.
Okay, I went YouTube. Then after that, here the permission is allowed an app to appear on top of the other screen. This might affect how the other apps are displayed.
share the screen options, like you click the
Okay,
what is it?
wait, Johnson, do
Share
not
the
share the
screen.
screen. एप्लीकेशन में जाकर क्लासेस में जाओ, क्लासेस में स्पीकिंग का पोर्टल खोलो, स्पीकिंग सेक्शन में आपको सारी क्लासेस मिल जाएंगी.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
we did it yesterday also when Kushal, yes,
Like
now,
this.
yes, see, Suketu has shared his screen. So classes में जाके ये IELTS classes लिखा है ना, live classes में ये सारी classes हैं. So please, new students,
Sorry, ma'am.
start using the application so that you can practice for speaking. जो भी classes आपकी miss हो गई हैं, please practice part 1, part 2 and part 3. I guess on Monday we'll be having the speaking ka mock test for part 3. I really want you all to prepare and please speak with all the advanced versions, whether it's EDM, whether it's collocations, the phrasal verbs, जो भी आपको लगता है you can add. I will give each and every one chance to speak, but you need to raise your hands. Each one of you will get only one chance to speak because there are many students. So each one of you will speak and will have a feedback, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So please till then practice from the application. The new students, please click on the remind me button so that you can join all the classes. जो भी upcoming classes हैं, आपको एक reminder मिल जाएगा 9 o'clock और आप class को join कर सकते हो. If you have an exam nearby, you can try the baby code visa services. You will have all your queries clear. कहाँ पर आपको apply करना है, exam कब देना चाहिए, country कौन सी apply करनी है, course कौन सा join कर रहा है, सारी आपकी understanding, आपके options वहां पर clear हो जाएंगे. Right? You can even share the application with your friends so that they can also join on time. क्योंकि अब हम writing section join करने वाले हैं. अगर writing section कोई mid में से join करेगा, then it's very difficult to explain that thing. Right? So please, अगर कोई भी है जिसको join करनी है class, तो वो on time. I guess Tuesday onwards we will start with the writing module. Clear? Yes, Kushal, definitely hit the books.
Okay.
Yes, Gurpreet. Everyone will leave. Then after 2 minutes, you can rejoin the session with the link you have in the speaking. ठीक है? Okay then. Bye-bye. Take care, all of you. See you on Monday.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye, ma'am.